Hello there, it's Barney from Cyberfrog Design, and in this video we're going to look at how to upload and add your own images to the website, but also how to add them to galleries. So first off, you're going to want to go to the dashboard, and once you're here you're going to go to Media and then Library. Now the library is where all your images, videos and documents are stored. To delete an image you can select one and click Delete Permanently and then click OK, and that removes it. Or you can bulk select several at the same time and delete them with that button there. Now we're not going to do that, we're going to cancel, and we're going to add our new ones in. So if we go to Add New and select Files, we already have 6 images that we want to upload. Now you can select all of them at once by clicking and dragging a box over. You can also click and press Shift on your keyboard and click the end one, but we're just going to click and drag and open there. Now, as you can see, they've got the little boxes that tell you how far along it is uploaded. So if you click on one, it'll bring up the attachment details, and it gives you all the small details to do with the image. You can change some of the SEO options or theme-specific layout options, and you can also edit the image. Now, editing the image allows you to crop it, rotate it, and scale it to however you want it to look. To crop, you just drag a box over and click the crop button. You can resize it like that. You can also rotate the image like that, flip it, but we're just going to leave it as it is, and we're just going to save. There we go. Now you can cycle through the images if they've been uploaded by clicking through the little arrow up here, and we're going to X off that. So there we go, that's how you upload your images. Now if you want to add these to pages or posts, if I go to posts, it's just as easy. So we're going to select generic post 4, and from in here we can add our images. So if you click Add Media up here, this will bring up the same media box that you will have seen on the other page. And as you can see, we've got all 6 images available. You can just click one and click Insert into Post. On the right hand side you've got the alignment and the size. Sometimes it's a little smaller, so if ever you find that, you can just click in here and change the size to full, and you can insert an image into the post. Now you could also upload media from within here by clicking this tab here, but we're going to look at galleries. Now galleries are what they sound like. You select the images you want and it displays it in a grid. So we've just selected all 6 images that we want to put in ours, and we're going to create a new gallery here. Now you can see you're able to add a caption underneath. So I'm going to add a caption to the first 3 just to show you what they look like. You can change the settings, so how they link. The columns are long, so how many images you have on each row, and the order and the size. Now we're going to stick it at medium and insert the gallery. So as you can see, there we go, we've got our 6 images, and I'm going to just update this post so you can see what that looks like. There we go, post updated, view post. Now some themes will have settings that make the galleries look different, and because this is a basic theme, they're only simple images in a grid form. As you can see, there's 3 titles under 3 of the images, and because the order's been randomized, they're not 1, 2, 3. This is just a styling option, so if you ever want to have just images on there, you can just not put a title in. So if I click on one, some themes, like I said, will have a styling option that might bring up a lightbox, or it might just grow in size. Ours just goes through to the attachment page, and it gives you the image information, so you can click on the size just to give you the full size image like that. But you can also cycle through at the bottom. So there we go, you now know how to add images to your pages and posts, but you also know how to add them to galleries.